My name is Ed Hadad. I'm an owner and principal of the Hadad Inc. Our locations for car washes is Monterey County and Silicon Valley. We have 2 seasons, basically, and we do not have a rough winter. I've been in a car wash business for over 20 years. What gets me in a car wash business is a matter of extra profit center. We have 3 car washes in Silicon Valley. 2 of our locations is only we have ChoiceWash, and 1 which is full service tunnel and a self-service at the same location. You know, I like the quality of wash outcome. We have a total of top brush, side brushes, as well as we have brushes for the wheels, which the wheels brushes are amazing. They clean the wheel really well. Advantage of having a full service is some people are very picky and meticulous about their cars. People come in with Lamborghini, Ferraris, people with the Teslas. They do like that choice wash, that no brush that really does the job very well. They want every spot in their cars to be clean, so they have a choice. I do recommend Mark VII because of the interaction you have with people with Mark VII as well as their servers. I am very convinced they know their equipment, they know longevity of their equipment, and what chemical they use is going to work with their equipment, and it's for a long-term investment.